Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my product empties with all of you. Now I have accumulated quite a bit since my last video that I uploaded on my product empties, and I believe that was back in October, early October. So I have accumulated quite a bit of products since then, so I'm going to be sharing my product empties with all of you. So before we get started, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell, that way you're never going to miss any of my future videos on skincare and all things beauty, and I upload videos every single week. So let's get right into the video. So let's start with hair products because I feel like I don't talk a lot about hair on my channel, and I really love hair just as much as skincare. It's very important to use proper products on your hair as well. And I have three brands in particular that I love to gravitate towards, and most of you know that I really love the brand called Fanola. I also love Olaplex, and I really love the Aveda hair care line as well. Those are three brands that I typically gravitate towards when it comes to my hair, whether that's shampoo, conditioner, treatments for my hair. I really love those three brands. So the first brand that I'm going to be sharing with you, and you have heard me talk about this brand a lot on my channel, and this is by the brand called Fanola. Now this is their vegan no yellow shampoo, and this is what I typically use to keep my blonde really ashy, really white tone. This is going to eliminate the brassy tones in your hair, whether you have blonde hair or gray hair. This is really going to help to get your hair silvery, and this stuff is just so potent. This is the best purple shampoo that I have ever used in my entire life to get that proper ashy white blonde that I always try to achieve. I really love that tone of blonde on myself, and I really love warm tone blondes on other people, but on me personally and with my skin tone, I don't like warm tone blondes on my skin tone. That's why I really like to use this purple shampoo, because honestly it is so pigmented. It works really well. You don't have to leave this in your hair very long. Honestly, 1 to 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes is pushing it, and if you leave it on too long, your hair will turn a little bit purple. It will have a little bit of a lilac tone to your hair, but honestly I don't mind that look. I'd rather have purple tinged hair than yellow hair in my opinion. And this is sulfate, silicone, and paraben free, and it's very gentle on the hair, and I don't find that this dries my hair out whatsoever. So if you're looking for a good purple shampoo, I would highly recommend this. I also have the mask as well, which is just as dark in pigmentation as this. I'm not finished that one yet. I'm still working on that one, but I am finished this bottle, and I do have a backup in my shower. That's a must. I have to have a backup purple shampoo all the time because my hair goes brassy pretty quickly. So I usually use this once a week on my hair, but depending on your hair, you may want to use it twice a week. It just depends on what type of tone of blonde or the tone of gray you are looking for. So if you are interested in this product or anything from the Fanola brand, I do have a discount code for you guys, and I will link it below for you. You can use my discount code at checkout, which is sincerelymissash, all one word. Just apply it to the coupon code box and you will receive 10% off your purchase. So when I am not using the Fanola purple shampoo, because I can't use that every wash or my hair will really be purple, I like to take a break in between, and I usually wash my hair twice a week. So the extra day that I am washing my hair, I love to use the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo, and this is the mini size here, and I absolutely love the Olaplex line, but I really love their shampoo, and this stuff here is great for everyday use, and you really don't need a lot. All you need is a little bit, and this stuff just spreads so nicely in your hair. Just creates that perfect lather in your hair. So I really love this. I have seen such a big difference with using the Olaplex line. I have every single product in the Olaplex line. So I have No. 3 all the way up to No. 7, which is the oil. So I love the Olaplex line. I really love the shampoo. I can't say anything bad about this shampoo. It really is amazing, and I have another one in my shower, and I will keep repurchasing this and all of the other Olaplex products because this truly is a great line, and it really does bring the health back to your hair, gets your hair stronger, and it creates shine as well. If you have blonde or gray hair, a lot of us can lack shine in our hair, so this line is definitely going to bring the shine back to your hair, and this shampoo, I just absolutely love it. This is great stuff. So the next product that I have here for hair is by the brand called Aveda. And this is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, and this is your leave-in treatment. So this is going to treat your hair, to repair your hair. It's also going to help detangle your hair and condition your hair, as well as protecting your hair from UV rays as well as heat styling tools. You want to apply this to damp hair before you blow dry it, and if you're somebody that lets your hair air dry, you can still apply this to your hair as well, because this is going to protect your hair from UV rays, and it's also going to condition and detangle your hair. So I really love this brand a lot. This is a great brand. I've also had hair oils before, and they were also really nice to use, and the smell of this is very spa-like and very herbal, and I love that. So between the Aveda, the Olaplex, and the Finola, those are 3 hair brands that I absolutely love, that I will always keep repurchasing, because those 3 brands never disappoint me. So if you're looking for a really good leave-in treatment, I would highly recommend the Aveda one. Okay, so now let's talk about skincare. So my first empty product that I have here is the Drunk Elephant b-hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. This is a little sample that I got. This is only 5 mils of product here. Now, Sephora did have a time where you were able to redeem points. I believe it was 100 points to receive this sample. So if you go into the Sephora store, they will allow you to redeem more points to receive a few of these in one transaction. So that is what I did. I believe I redeemed about 400 to 500 points to get 4 or 5 of these, and this is my second last one. I still have 1 more of these in my bathroom that I'm still working on, and I absolutely love this serum. This one is really nice. I actually forgot all about this serum, and then when I got the samples, I started using them, and I thought, wow, I really love this serum. This is very similar to a hyaluronic acid. It's going to give you a lot of hydration. There's also vitamin B5 in here, which is your surface hydrator, and this gives a lot of moisture, and I love pairing this with a really thick cream for the winter time. But in the summer, this is also really nice to use as well, especially if you're feeling a little tight from being outside too long. So I really love this. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing the bigger size once my other little sample is finished. And this has been such a great product. If you're lacking hydration, this is going to be a serum that you may want to look into. The next product that I have here is the Drunk Elephant Lippy Balm. I've talked a lot about this on my channel, and this is a great lip product to prevent dry lips. But if you are somebody that has really dry lips, this also heals dry lips really nicely. Now, I am completely empty with this. I always use up the last little bit with my finger, and this stuff is honestly really nice. Now, I am taking a break from this for a little bit because I am using the Bite Beauty Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy. I also really love that one, and I'm really enjoying that lip product right now. So maybe when that one's done, maybe I'll go back to this one. But honestly, this is a great product, and I definitely will repurchase it again down the road. So I have another product here from the Drunk Elephant. I actually feel like I have a lot here from Drunk Elephant, but this is the Drunk Elephant Shaba Complex Eye Serum. I've talked about this a lot on my channel, and I recently just showed you how I use this in my winter nighttime skincare routine with using a retin-tretinoin, as well as my winter nighttime skincare routine without using a retin-A. And I really love this. It's very lightweight. The spreadability is really nice as well. You don't need a lot, so a little bit does go a long way. 1 pump would be enough for both of your eyes, and honestly, that's all you need. And sometimes that's a little bit too much, because this really does spread really nicely because it's that thin and that lightweight. If you're somebody that likes to have thinner eye products around your eye area, this is going to be the product for you because it's very lightweight. I really love this. I have another backup in my bathroom, so I definitely repurchased another one. This has copper peptides in it as well. If you are somebody that likes a little bit of a thicker cream, then I have another sample here from the Drunk Elephant, which I redeemed points for back a few months ago, I believe, back in the summertime. And this is the Drunk Elephant C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. This one has vitamin C in it, and it's a little bit more of a thicker cream. This is considered an eye cream, and this is considered an eye serum. So if you're somebody that likes a thicker cream, I would go with this one. But if you are somebody that likes a little bit of a lighter consistency, then I would definitely go with this one. But honestly, they're both great. I have owned the larger size of this before, and I really love this one. I like to switch these two up once in a while, but both are really great. But this one I really love. It sits really nicely on top of my Dr. Dennis Gross Ferulic Retinol Eye Serum, and this sits really nicely underneath makeup as well. And and I absolutely love this one, and I don't have anything bad to say about this one or this one really. So if you're looking for a really good eye cream or an eye serum, I would definitely recommend either one of these. The next product that I have here is by the brand called Mad Hippie, and this is the Advanced Skincare Face Cream for all skin types. Now I have talked about this before in a video where I talk about a lot of face creams that would be good for the fall and winter months. This is pretty moisturizing. I really love to use this in the winter, but this is also really nice to use in the spring and summer as well. It's not too heavy, but it does give you a lot of hydration, and I really love that. Now this has peptides in it as well. It also has argan oil, resveratrol, but the only downfall with this cream is that there is a scent to it. So there is a floral scent to this. So if you don't like floral and you are pretty sensitive to fragrance and scents, then this is not going to be the cream for you. But if you can get past that and you do like scents like that, then this is honestly a really great cream to try out. I put this on at nighttime and I just spread it all over my face, down my neck, and I really love the way that this makes my skin feel. So if you're looking for another alternative for a face cream, I would highly recommend the Mad Hippie one here. This is really good. It has a really nice pump at the top here, and I love that it has a lid there so it's easy for travel, and this is 30 mils of product. So the last product that I have here, I feel like I talk about this product a lot on my channel, and I feel like it's always in my product empties videos as well. This is a product that I go through quite a bit, and I just keep repurchasing it because it's that good. So this is the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion PM for normal to oily skin. I can't say anything bad about this product. This is truly one of my holy grail face creams of all time. I use this every day, morning, nighttime. I really love to use this on top of my tretinoin and retin-A when I am using it on those nights where I need a little bit more hydration. I will put some of this on top of my retin-A, and this gives the perfect added hydration when you are using a retinol product. And I love to use this all the time. I just love this cream so much. I feel like I should be buying into the CeraVe stocks. Like, I just love their cleansers. I love this. This is like the #1 product that I buy all the time from the drugstore, and I go through one of these once a month. So I am purchasing one of these every month, and I don't care. It's that good. It's affordable, and this has ceramides in it, niacinamide, and this also has hyaluronic acid in it, and I just absolutely love this cream. So if you're looking for a really good lightweight cream that you can layer on top of a retinol product and just something lightweight for all year round, then I would highly recommend the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. So that is everything in today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed my product empties video, and of course if you have any questions, leave them below like you always do, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. And of course I will see you guys in my next video. So take care, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys then. Bye guys.